Now is the time to hold Bitcoin, as this is the assurance you are receiving. For more than a month, the price of Bitcoin has been trading sideways. Nonetheless, the widespread volatility has begun to manifest itself in an otherwise repetitive market. Bitcoin was trading around the $35,000 mark at the time of press, having gained just 2.32% in the previous day. Bitcoin's deteriorating status has become a major talking point. At this period, the predominant emotion among market players is often dread. However, the Bitcoin market has confronted similar circumstances in the past and overcome them effectively. Max Keiser, co-founder of Heisenberg Capital and a Bitcoin supporter, recently stated in a similar vein. For 10 years, we've been doing this. Over the last 12 years, we've had 15 of these corrections, and the current one is average, not really noteworthy. HODLing is never easy, even more so during downtrends when selling pressure increases. However, BTC has returned 287.93% in the last year, and investors accept volatility as a trade-off for the high gains. Added Keiser. HODLing Bitcoin is risky, but it ensures that your purchasing power will increase. Guaranteed, a term that is rarely used in the financial business, but in this context, I can assure you that you will see an increase in purchasing power. Doubling his $220,000 year-end estimate according to Keiser. I witnessed the same thing in 2013, and again in another period where you saw a 5, 6, or 7x move in a short period of time, so I'm still aiming for that. BTC's fundamentals are only strengthening. Additionally, Keiser stated that fiat money was on the back foot at this point, which he described as a win for Bitcoin. Keiser stated in regards to his decision to give up his hodlings. I don't see me recirculating BTC into the world of fiat money because I'm opposed to giving fiat money any power. I'm not interested in endowing politicians with authority over fiat money. I'm attempting to put them to death through starvation. Additionally, the BTC proponent stated that governments worldwide should avoid mucking around with monetary policies. Just delegate your monetary policy to BTC and focus on something else, he added. Additionally, he argued that bureaucrats were making awful decisions based on awful input. Added Keiser. At the moment, there is no distinction in terms of monetary policy between the United States and the Soviet Union. Their governments are ruled by kleptocrats and geriatric senile old fools and are doomed to fail. Additionally, the executive stressed that countries experiencing a decline in GDP might embrace and benefit from the BTC standard. After complimenting El Salvador for its audacious action, Keiser emphasized that China was exiting the Bitcoin space at the wrong time. Keiser continued by predicting that BTC would exhibit a hockey stick pattern on the charts this year and concluded by declaring that BTC was on sale. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.